Python is a high-level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum. He released it in 1991. Python is used for many things. Python is popular because it is easy to learn. The code is simple to read and write. This makes it great for beginners. Python is powerful too. Python is known for its simple syntax. This makes it easy to read and write code. Python uses indentation to define blocks of code. This enhances readability. Python code looks like simple English. This makes it easier to understand. Even complex programs are easier to follow in Python. Python is versatile and used in many areas. It is used in web development. Python is also used in data science and machine learning. Python is used to build websites and applications. It is used to analyze data. Python is even used in artificial intelligence. Python is a great choice for beginners. It is easy to learn and use. Python has a large and active community. This provides support for learners. Python is a valuable skill. It is in high demand. Learning Python can open up many career opportunities. Start your programming journey with Python.